I'm letting y be the number of people joining an airport queue in t seconds. According to the information that is given, there is an average of 1.2 people joining the queue per minute, which means that if y is 4 seconds, we are talking about y following a Poisson distribution, and the average number of people joining the queue per second is 1.2 divided by 60, and now we are talking about t seconds, so this multiplied by t, which means that y is going to follow a Poisson distribution with an average of 0.02 t. According to the question, the probability that no more than one person joining the queue is 0.7, which means that the probability that y is less than or equal to 1, this is equal to 0.7. And we are supposed to find an equation for t, and that is why for this, I'm going to break it up into two parts, which is y is equal to 0 plus the probability that y is equal to 1 is equal to 0.7. So I can make use of the formula that is from my formula sheet for this and this. Using the formula for Poisson distribution, this is e to the power of minus lambda, which is minus 0.02 t, and then 0.02 t to the power of 0 divided by 0 factorial, plus e to the power of minus 0.02 t, then 0.02 t to the power of 1 divided by 1 factorial, and this is equal to 0.7. I'm going to factorize out this e to the power of minus 0.02 t, and this is going to be to the power of 0 is 1, and let's not forget that 0 factorial is also 1. So 1 divided by 1, this is 1, plus this is 0.02 t. And I'm going to bring this over to the left hand side, so minus 0.7 is equal to 0, and this is going to be that equation that I'm going to present as the equation for t. And to solve for t, I will just need to solve this equation, and how I'm going to do that is to sketch graph. I'm going to sketch the graph of the left hand side and find out where it intersects the horizontal axis, and that will give me the solution to t. So if I were to sketch that, my graph is going to look something like this, y versus t. From my calculator, the curve is going to look something like this, and this is the graph of y is equal to e to the power of minus 0.02 t, 1 plus 0.02 t, minus 0.7, and this is going to be the solution to this equation. According to my calculator, this has a value of 54.867. So t correct to the nearest whole number is going to be equal to 55.